For our first Python project, we will be building a machine learning model. It will be a regression model to predict the cost of space missions. I downloaded the space mission data from the website Kaggle. You can set up a free account on Kaggle. Search the Kaggle datasets for all space missions from 1957. The model will predict rocket mission cost, and it will use country, company and year data as inputs to the model. The model will be a multiple regression model. You will need to pip install pandas. Pandas is a package we'll use to load, clean and manipulate the data. You'll also need to pip install sklearn. This package contains the machine learning model. It also contains functionality for selecting training and test data, as well as for producing metrics on your model's predictions. We import pandas so we can use its functionality to process the data. From sklearn model selection, we import train test split. Notice the backslash, that's a line continuation. This means the two lines are treated as if they're on a single line. So we import test train split, and we also import linear model from sklearn, which contains a machine learning model. We also import mean squared error from sklearn metrics. We'll use this to calculate the metrics for the performance of the model's predictions. We read the space mission CSV data into a data frame and remove any data records with null values. We create a new year field by taking the year part from the datum field. For each company in the company name field, we create a new flag which can have the value 1 or 0. For example, SpaceX is a company in the company name field, and we create a new company SpaceX field. We create a new country field, which is a country parsed from the location field. For each possible country, we then create a new field which can have the value 1 or 0. For example, there's a China country and there's a US country, and there'll be a new field for each of these. We drop all fields which are not required in the model. We ensure all the data fields are numeric. We remove any records with null values that were caused by the numeric conversion. We create a new data frame to hold the rocket mission cost, which is a variable we were predicting. We also create a new data frame to hold purely the model inputs. We split the data into a training and test data set. We create a linear regression model object instance. We train the model using the training data. Xtrain holds the year, company and country fields. Ytrain is a rocket field, which is the mission cost we want to predict. We use the train model to predict the rocket mission cost using xtest, the test data for the year, company and country fields. For a single test record, for example the 12th record, we can check the model's prediction, the input values to the model, and the actual mission cost for that record. We can calculate the mean square error metric for all the model's test predictions against the actual mission cost values. We could also build other models like neural networks and compare the mean square error between all the models.